I spent hours walking through this house. I had some big decisions that I had to make. We are talking about moving walls here. We are talking about moving rooms. And I just know that God is the one that knows the answer. And while this was an architectural project, how much more can we see God in our homes, about our families, our next steps, what to do for holidays, maybe something that our children are going through. And God wants to provide for us all the wisdom and the knowledge that we need, and how to create that home of peace, how to bless the people that are coming over to our homes for a holiday or for a ministry event. So God gave Solomon some architectural wisdom that we can apply again by hearing his voice. And this really makes sense for moving walls, for the practical parts of the home, but also for the hearts that are touched in our homes. And we inquire of the Lord. Sometimes we need to inquire with outside resources that have the knowledge in different areas. And we apply those in a creative way. Listen to this. This is Proverbs 24, 3 and 4, and I'm going to read it from the ESV. It says, "By wisdom a house is built, and by understanding it is established. By knowledge the rooms are filled with all precious and pleasant riches." Isn't that beautiful? I want my home to be a pleasant riches for the people that enter it. I want it to be that place that people walk into and they feel the presence and peace of God. Now, architectural wisdom is like a 30,000 foot view, right? We want to know what things look like, which is what I was trying to accomplish in the big picture in deciding what we are going to do with the floor plan. So God often gives us the big picture, and then it involves others to actually get the details, the knowledge, and the plan. What's the result? You're creating memories. You're creating a peaceful setting, the precious things of our homes, which are the hearts.